What's up, y'all? It's your girl Forevermeari, and today, y'all, we're gonna be discussing the things, what to bring to college. I already know that's what y'all looking for, because that was me when it was time for me to move to college. Shoot, that was me beginning of 11th grade year, 12th grade year. I was already looking at things to bring to college, because me, I'm a person, I want to be prepared. I had my notes, I had everything. So if y'all like me, get your notebook out. We gonna talk about the different things that you need for college. Realistically, we ain't gonna just talk about the list that they give y'all, that they tell you to bring. We gonna get into the nitty-gritty of what you actually need. So let's go ahead and get into this video. So first, you gonna need your bedding, of course. You're gonna need the comforter, the blanket, whatever y'all use. For me, I didn't have a comforter, I just had a blanket. I don't like heavy comforters. It's not for me. I literally just had a blanket the whole year. Most beds are twin XL, so remember that. Bring backups. So bring your sheets, your fitted sheets if you that extra, you know. Bring backups, 1 or 2, because you don't know what type of night y'all might have. Because, you know, I ain't never had those type of nights, but, you know, some of y'all might throw up on your bed, whatever. One of my friends had those type of nights. Me, personally, never. Make sure you bring your mattress pad. The mattress pad is like, you know, basically like a kind of foam type thing that makes your bed extra comfortable. So I would say get at least 2 to 3 inches, you know, something like that. It ain't gotta be expensive as mine was. Mine was most definitely, I could have got a cheaper one, but I'm gonna just give it to my cousin or somebody for when they go to college, because that junk was mad comfortable. Also get a bed skirt or get a queen size comforter. For me, I had got a gray bed skirt to go around my whole bed so you don't see anything from under your bed, or just get a large, since your bed is a twin XL, get a queen size comforter and it should flow over it. Make sure you get your pillows, pillowcases, and make sure you get some decorative pillows. You know, the regular pillows is boring, you know. That's it. Me, I was mad extra. I had like 1, 2, 3, 4 decorative pillows, but one of them I actually slept on every night, so it wasn't that extra for real. If y'all want to see my room, make sure y'all go check out my room tour. It was really cute. I show y'all what I got, you know, how the room is set up. If y'all want to see how the things are, go check out my room tour. It's really cute. Make sure you get a rug. Even if most people, even if they had carpet in their room, they still had a rug. For me, we had hardwood, so I made sure, especially, I got a rug. I got mine from Amazon. It was only like $30, and it was really good, because, you know, especially when your friends come over, they mainly gonna be like sitting on the rug and stuff. So yeah. Bed rises, for me, my bed was already mad high, and I'm 5'2", so therefore the bed didn't even need to go any higher, because for our beds you can most definitely change the levels. Like in my homeboys' rooms, their beds were lower while mine was mad high. So if y'all want a bed rises, especially if y'all want to like give you extra storage under the bed, I would say get those. Decorations, you know, LED lights, pictures, something. Most of my friends' rooms were decorated in some type of way, except like some of my homeboys. They just didn't do nothing to their room. But do something. You know you're gonna be living there for a while. You ain't gonna go extreme as I did, because I realized like I literally had to take all that stuff down. But I mean, if you get command strips, it's not that bad to take down. So yeah. I personally, for all my candle lovers and smell good lovers, get a candle warmer instead of like actually burning the candle itself. Also, it makes the candle last longer. If I realize, for me, my RAs, I don't even think they realized I had a candle warmer. So I mean, they ain't trip on me. I don't know what type of RAs y'all gonna have. Trash can, make sure you have one for the bathroom, as well as me and my roommate had 2 like mini trash cans. We really should have just got one big one, especially if you have a roommate. I recommend just getting one big one, because it will help you. Because when I say you're gonna be taking out the trash almost every daggone day, every 2 days with the small trash can, just yeah, get a big one. Rolling laundry bin, I would say just go ahead and get a rolling one, because of the fact that it's probably not good, unless it's like literally right next to your room. You're gonna be carrying that laundry somewhere in that hallway for a good second, and I don't know if y'all feel like carrying that junk for real. So I just recommend getting a rolling one, and it just makes it easier for your life. Next, make sure you get your Tide Pods, your laundry detergent, you know, whatever. For me, I use Tide Pods because it was just easier to carry, and then just easier for me to not make sure I don't use too much detergent, because, you know, black people, one thing about us, we don't pay attention to that little cup measurement. We just throw in whatever we feel like. So I say get that. Lysol, you gonna need it for everything, because when I say, even like, we came back where it's like, you know, the first year, like kind of regular classes, after COVID. So, you know, I was making sure I Lysol everything. Even when I used the laundry, I made sure I sprayed down the washing machine and dryer before I used it. So that's just me, but y'all do what y'all want. Make sure you bring your cleaning products for the bathroom, you know, the room itself. Make sure you cleaning that stuff, you know. Don't be dirty, you know. It may not look dirty. You know you haven't cleaned in 2 weeks. Freshen up, okay? Make sure you get a broom. You know you're gonna need a broom for the bathroom, for your room, whatever the case may be. Make sure you keep it clean. If y'all don't want to get a whole mop or whatever, a Swiffer was really easy to set up. It's just you gotta keep buying the little pad, the wipe things for the Swiffer. If it makes more sense for you, get an actual mop, whichever one. But for me, we had a Swiffer and it was pretty easy to just use. Make sure you get your paper towels, your paper toilet, your toilet paper. That's what it's called. Make sure you get that. If you and me and my roommate, we had just had our own, and then like, you know, we just switch out. Be like, you got some paper towels, you got, you know, we'll just switch. You know, it was really easy for me and my roommate. Nothing crazy. Get a vacuum if you got carpet, because that y'all know good and well y'all gonna have y'all nasty shoes on there, your nasty furniture is gonna be on there. You know they gonna be sitting on the carpet. Make sure it's clean for them. You don't know what type, that ain't really y'all house. Like, it's your house, but it ain't your house, so you don't know what's gonna be trying to crawl over there or whatever. So make sure it's clean. Make sure you bring trash bags, whether it's the small one bag, big ones for whatever size trash bag you got. It just makes it real easy. Then, you know, not having them. I'm pretty sure we all kind of grew up using trash bags. Yeah. School supplies, I would say, like, it's not much to school supplies. Like, I would say probably have like sticky notes for little stuff, pencils. It depends on how you like to take your notes. Like, if you iPad, whatever, like, or actual notebook, it depends. For me, I realized I like taking notes on my notebook more, because I just like writing. It just helps me remember also easier. I've just always been a person that likes writing in my notebook easier. So yeah, flashcards for like presentations and stuff to help you study. I'll say stuff like that. Next, get a whiteboard or a calendar. I most definitely use mine. I made sure I used mine. I wrote down all my different notes and stuff on my whiteboard. I also use it as motivation, so I would recommend getting one of those. I got mine from Amazon, I believe. A calculator, make sure you get one, because I know I needed mine in algebra, especially. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need it for like econ or statistics on one of those. So invest in a good one if you like that. It most definitely helps me. iPad. I feel like every college student just needs an iPad. For my school, NCAT, they gave all the freshmen iPads. I already had one, so I just ended up giving mine to my friend. Well, she paid me for it, so I just gave it to her because I didn't need it and I wasn't using it at all, and she wasn't a freshman, so yeah. Surge protector, extension cord. Make sure you have multiple, because literally you gonna need one. I had about 2. Yeah, I had 2. So, because you gonna need it. You gonna have everything plugged up. You gonna need multiple. Get a desk lamp. It helps for like when, let's say, you don't want all the lights on and you know it's kind of getting late. Your roommate wants to go to bed, but you can still have your side of the room lit. It helps with that. Or if you're doing late night studying, it helps. Drawer organizer. For me, we had like 3 different drawers in our desk, so it kind of helped with keeping organized or whatever. And I had a lot of stuff in my drawers, and it just helps being more organized with it. Small TV or projector. If you're a person that actually watch TV and stuff, I recommend it. For me, I had a projector. It was just more cost efficient. It was a bigger screen, to be honest, and it was just more of a vibe for me. I like my projector. My other friends, they had small TVs, or they had a large TV for whatever reason. Like one of my friends, I think they had a 55-inch. I don't know why he had one, but it's okay. Speaker, I would recommend it. For me, I have like an Apple HomePod I got for Christmas for my cousin, but you gonna need it, because for either when you hanging out with the friends or like you just chilling, whatever the case may be. Yeah. Book bag or tote. I don't know why y'all think y'all gonna be walking around here without no type of book bag or tote bag. Y'all gonna need something. For me, I had a tote. I ain't had no book bag, but you gonna need something to carry your stuff, okay? Because like you gonna have books and stuff. Folder, I would say just so you can at least have the physical copy of your syllabus, so you're not looking for that document every time you like trying to look through stuff. The syllabus most definitely help me stay organized. Also, it should help y'all stay organized, because sometimes those due dates be changing. It's not gonna be every Thursday, sometimes it's not gonna be every Friday, sometimes they be switching it up and adding extra assignments. So I say make sure you keep track of them syllabus, okay? Because your teachers in high school, like how they did in high school, reminding you of your assignments, they would not do that in college, for real. Make sure you have an umbrella. It be raining, you be leaving for that 10 o'clock 1 o'clock class, you step outside, it's raining, all of a sudden you're not going to class. Go to class, have an umbrella. You ain't gonna die. Get a shoe organizer. It helps. For me, I just kind of had my shoes on the top of my drawers that they had provided. I just had it at the top of that, and then my extra shoes, I just had it on the side up under my bed. I'm gonna have a shoe organizer this year for my apartment, but yeah, get some of those, whether it's the clear box ones or like the little I'm gonna insert pictures. Get some. Closet organizers. I didn't really have a closet organizer, but I'm probably gonna have one this year, or whatever, or different drawers under my closet to help. My roommate, her closet looked bomb with her different closet organizers. It looks so good, so I say get some closet organizers. Shower caddy, if you gonna have a community bathroom. For me and my roommate, we only had to share a bathroom. It was like a 2 rooms and then a bathroom in between, so we didn't have to share with the whole hallway. So get a shower caddy for like if you are sharing with the hall and you gotta go back and forth. Shower shoes, don't ever in your life go in any of those showers without shower shoes. If you do that, that's nasty. 3-tier carts or totes. Oh no, 3-tier carts is basically like the 3 tiers. For me, I use that for like to hold like my hair products. I had my tea and kettle stuff at the top. I had more hygiene products at the bottom. It just helps keep you organized a little bit. Then also make sure you keep some totes, have some totes when you move. It helps you stay very organized. Just keep them under the bed for your extra clothing, extra bedding, whatever. Even if you got a lot of snacks, it very much helps. Keep those totes, y'all. Mirror, if you don't get one in the room. For us, they provided mirrors, so I didn't have to get a mirror. We have full body mirrors in our room, but if y'all don't have one, I recommend getting one. Small vanity mirror. For me, I had that just laying on my desk. Helpful when I was doing like makeup or something at my desk, or my lashes or something like that. It helps. Command strips, very much what you need, because when I tell you the few things I did not use command strips for, and I used that little sticky adhesives that came with whatever packaging, I tore that wall. Ugh. I don't think I got fired for it, but I tore that wall up, because when I tell you that paint is so like thin, it comes off so easily. So very much use command strips. Don't be like me. Don't do what I do. Get an ottoman or a step stool. I'm short. Also, ottoman helps, like you can like put stuff in there. I don't really put stuff in mine, but like it just helps. It's very aesthetically pleasing, as well as I'm just short, so I needed it and my bed was high, so yeah. Get an air fryer. I don't care what they say. Get an air fryer. Just make sure you hide it under your bed for when the RAs come in. But get you one. Don't burn up the room. I didn't tell you that. Plates and bowls. I got the little plastic, 50-cent ones, the college looking ones from like Target. Just get you a few of those. Plastic silverware. I ain't feel like washing no dishes, so yeah. Ziploc bags for like you might need it. Just get some Ziploc bags. Party clothes, class clothes, business clothes, swimsuit. Every type of clothing. Like for me, I swear I didn't bring my whole closet. Like for me, when I came back home and it was like for a break, it looks like I still have my whole closet there, but I promise you I took like majority of my closet to school, and it was most of the stuff I wore. Like you're gonna need different type of outfits, but don't bring too much, because honestly, like you gonna end up buying more clothing. Lotion, soap, deodorant, razors, shaving cream, lip gloss, hair products. Y'all know what y'all use. Hygiene products. Y'all know what y'all use. Portable charger, y'all gonna need that for like different events that be long, or like, you know, you walking around all day to class, and depending on if you like close by your dorm or not, like by your classes, you gonna need it. You're gonna need it. So make sure you got some type of portable charger, whatever. Some type of extra chairs if you got a room. Like, if you got room, don't bring no extra chairs if you got a room. Like for me, I had a beanbag chair that my friends would chill on, and like, yeah, my other friend, he had like a folding chair type thing. That, yeah, if you got room, get one, but if not, don't. Medicine and first aid kit. When I tell you, you gonna need that medicine eventually. At some point, you're probably going to get sick at some point, because you're trained, especially if it's not somewhere that you lived before. Like, you're not used to that type of air, all them children. Because it was one time fall semester, when I tell you, we all got messed up. We was all sick as a dog, bro. Like, that was ugh. Next, get a fan or a heater, depending on if you know, like, if you know your dorm is just not reliable. Y'all know what type of dorms y'all got. Y'all did y'all research or whatever school y'all saying that the type of dorms. If you know that dorm is not reliable as far as heat and air, just get probably one that has both. Get a duffel bag, whether it's for like when you go into back home for a little weekend, or whether it's your spend the night bag. That's your business, you know, whatever you use it for. Get a duffel bag. It just helps with like small trips or whatever the case may be. Batteries, I'll say get triple, double A, whatever, just extra, because eventually at some point you probably gonna need, just have a small pack of that at least. I had got some cheap ones from Best Buy because I worked there, so it was mad cheap. Lock free closet. If you don't trust your roommate, you don't know your roommate like that, if that's what you want to do, that's what you do. I ain't had no problem with mine, so I don't know. Headphones, whether it's AirPods, the wired ones, whatever the case may be, you gonna need it. You gonna need it, because when you walk into class and you don't feel like doing nothing, whether you at the gym, whatever, like, you gonna need it. For me, I had 2 different ones. Sorry, I thought I seen a bug or something. I made sure I had my AirPods, like, you know, it's just easier, it's noise canceling, and I had my wired ones for like when I wanted to make sure that you seen that I had my headphones in, and I wanted to make sure that you was not trying to talk to me while I was walking. Yeah, sorry. It's a habit. Wallet, something that could probably easily, like, you could pull your student ID out, because you're gonna need to use that student ID every time you going somewhere. In most cases, you trying to get back into your dorm, all that. So yeah. And lastly, good vibes and an open mind. You're coming to college, y'all. You know, be open to new stuff. Don't go wild, don't go too crazy. Remember what you came for, but come with a good, you know, idea of everything. Keep your head focused, and that's it. Well, my NCAT babies, my NCAT 27, 28, whenever time you watching this video, if y'all have any questions or anything, feel free to ask in the comments. Or even if you're not going to NCAT, you just have questions about different things, feel free to ask in the comments, or DM me at forevermeari. Feel free to follow me as well. And that's it. So good luck to y'all, babies, and forever do you. Bye.